Start. Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini kita akan, sorry, hari ini kita akan memulai kelas yang pertama dengan kelas speaking ya. As usual, I will check your attendance first. Nisa, ganti Nisa. Muka kamu itu Nisa, serem sekali.
Ya, Miss. Baik, Miss.
Ya
Miss.
Allah, matanya, bibirnya. Almira, Almira lagi Farah. Belum datang. Cica,
Present, Miss.
oke, how are you?
Good.
Kayaknya semalam agak alot kita rapatnya sampai malam ya.
Iya.
Devriansa, belum ada. Deza,
Present, Miss.
wih semangat sekali. Di mana kamu Deza? Di rumah?
Iya, Miss.
Oh, lagi bantuin ibu masak kayaknya ya.
Iya, Miss.
Oh iya, Miss. Epin,
Present, Miss.
where are you, Pin?
Apa, Miss?
Where are you?
Di kosan.
Kok kamu ragu-ragu sekali jawabnya? Kamu emang nggak di asrama lagi ya, Pin, sekarang?
Emang tidak di asrama, Miss.
Oh, emang dari asrama? Yang di asrama siapa? Jonan ya?
Itu. Andi sama Deb.
Hamdi sama Devri. Oke. Faira, belum. Hamdi,
Present, Miss.
oke. Kalau dari backgroundnya bukan di asrama yang jelas ini Hamdi ya.
Di rumah, Miss.
Oh, di rumah ya. Oke. Oh, kalian ini Jumat Sabtu nih semestinya libur ya. Makanya kalian, ya oke nggak apa-apa lah ya. Ketemu Miss Mala hari ini. Jonan,
Present, Miss.
how are you?
I'm good, Miss. And you?
Okay. I'm not good, actually. But I'm trying to look good. Ya. So far, so good. Maria Priscilia, adiknya Immanuel, Simatupang.
Present, Miss.
Mana abangnya? Kok abangnya join?
Di luar kota. Di luar kota dia.
Oh, abangnya di luar kota. Siapa? Tadi Miss pikir Immanuel Simatupang ini ya. Maria Katarina Pradipta Santi. Belum hadir. Rizky Putra Laila. Belum hadir. Mana kalian ini? Pasti pada tidur semua masih. Novel. Belum ada. Cia izin. Sakit lagi untuk kesekian kalinya. Pika izin. Sandrina.
Present, Miss.
Hai Sandrina, how are you?
I'm fine, Miss.
Okay, good. Siti Fatimah Azahra.
Present, Miss.
Where are you, Siti?
I'm still with my parents right now, Miss.
How was your parents' condition?
It's getting better.
Getting better.
Maaf nggak bisa on cam ya, Miss.
Alright, it's okay. Send my regards to your parents, ya.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss.
Fiska, Fabiola. Not yet. Pika, kamu tadi udah izin, kenapa masih join Pika? Itu sudah saya bikin izin, tapi nggak apa-apa, saya conteng masuk ya. Kalau memang lagi ada kegiatan, silakan dulu. Tapi kalau mau join, masih bisa dilakukan sambil melakukan kegiatannya, nggak apa-apa ya. Melani Subono. Belum ada. Apla?
Present, Miss.
Alright. Oke. Dari 21, bukan 21, dari 13 yang hadir, yang sudah presentasi kemarin selain Cica, Siti, siapa lagi? Maria udah. Jonan udah.
Utang
Jonan?
1, Miss.
Oh ya, masih utang table ya. Oke. Kita buka pinwheelnya dulu. Hmm. Ham. Oke, berarti diawalin sama Jonan, tapi sebelum itu, oh ini udah ada nama-namanya nih. Siapa yang nggak ada di sini? Ntar saya cek dulu ya. Oke, di sini masih ada namanya Devri, Deza. Devri ada di sini? Devri? Ada di sini, Dev? Dev, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Oh, ada ya. Oke. Ngantuk lagi kayaknya, Dev. Terus kita, oh, Devri baru join, belum saya absen tadi. Oke. Deza, ada Deza?
Ada, Miss.
Oke, Deza udah tadi. Epin,
Ya, Miss.
Faira belum ya. Hamdi ada, Catherine belum, Abai belum, Cia izin, Pika ada tapi nggak tahu bisa presentasi nggak Pika. Kalau nggak juga nggak apa-apa. Nggak hari ini, minggu depan ya. Sandrina, Fiska, Melani. Nah, masih banyak yang belum. Tapi kita akan mulai dulu sama permission to leave. Oke. Sama siapa kamu? Si aduh, siapa yang ngutang satu? Jonan. Jonan bisa hari ini langsung untuk hutangnya?
Yeah, of course, Miss.
Of course. Alright. Silakan kamu bisa mulai share. Saya akan ubah settingannya dulu biar all participant. Oke, dah. You can share your table.
Dewi, please show my PPT. Dewi,
Wait. Bentar ya.
okay.
Nge-lag, bentar. Share ya.
Not yet, Han.
Wait.
Okay. Yang tabel ya.
Bawah ya.
Paling bawah.
Bentar. Nih,
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Morning.
ini.
Terus Black.
Nih.
I will continue the explanation about graphic lessons. Here, there is a table containing data on what applications are used during free time in class. There are 3 applications that are often used in class, namely Mobile Legends, TikTok, and Instagram. Here we can see that out of 20 students, 4 play Mobile Legends, 3 play TikTok, and 12 play Instagram.
Recording in
So the conclusion is that the average student use Instagram more in their free time than other application. That's all
Okay.
from me. Thank you.
All right. It is your real survey to your friend in your class?
Yes, Miss.
Hamdi lagi Jonan?
Ya, Miss.
Yes. Oke. Jadi selama di kelas kalian tuh masih pakai HP ya?
Misalnya waktu luangnya, Miss.
Oh, waktu luang. In your free time ya? Jadi bukan lagi sambil belajar di kelas kalian buka Instagram ya.
No, Miss.
Yang cowok-cowok nggak main Mobile Legends selama di kelas ya.
No, Miss.
Okay. Alright. Thank you, Jonan. So the most applications used by the student is Instagram in this class ya. Okay, well done. Okay, next. Siapa ya? Kemarin Catherine udah belum ya? Miss lupa.
Not
Belum
yet.
kayaknya. Not yet ya. Oke, yang udah tuh si Maria ya. Maria adiknya Immanuel ya. Oke, kita spin dulu. Siapa yang bakalan jadi the next contestant? Bentar. Uh-oh. Oke, muncul ya. Who will be the next participant is Deza.
Miss,
Apa?
PPT-nya hilang, Miss.
Hey, kok bisa?
Kemarin sudah di-save di Canva. Terus hilang sisa 3, Miss. Teriset.
Tentang riset?
Iya, Miss.
Udah pernah kirim ke Miss belum? Belum ya?
Belum. Sudah pernah kirim linknya, Be, ke grup. Cuman pas dibuka lagi, ternyata masih 3. Ngeriset cak itu dah, Miss.
Oke. So, do you want to present 3 first and then continue next week? Atau
Miss, buat dulu, Miss.
oh,
Teksnya
yaudah.
juga.
Oke. Buatlah dulu. Ya, lanjut.
Thank you, Miss.
Ada aja kalau sini masalahnya ya. Baca doa dulu coba sebelum mulai kelas tadi. Oh. Pika? Oh, Pika tadi udah izin. Next. Pika nggak ada tadi. Cia juga nggak ada. Oh my God. Ini kemana orang-orang? Cia juga tadi masih izin. Hamdi. Oh, bukan. Faira? Are you here, Faira?
Yes, Miss.
Oke.
Itu apa yang table belum, Miss?
Ya udah, yang table nyusul utang kayak si Jonan tadi ya. Cuman table yang belum kan?
Ya.
Oke, go on. Miss, stop share. Alright, you can share your PowerPoint.
Oh. Miss. Miss, sorry Miss, Novel baru masuk Miss.
Oke, Novel. Novel, komik, majalah. Ada lagi yang baru join, yang belum Miss absen, nggak ada ya? Fiska udah join belum Fiska? Belum ya? Oh ada nih. Fiska, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Oke. Oke. Faira, Faira, benar. Faira, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, go on.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Faira Rainaya. So today I'm gonna interpreting graphic aids. I'm gonna explain example for bar graphs, line graphs, pictograph, scatter plot, pie charts, flow charts, and tables. One bar the expenditure to count. There is two countries that France and UK. Overall, the UK spent more money on consumer goods than France in the period given. Both the British and the France spend most of their money on cars, whereas the least amount of money was spent on perfume in the UK compared to cameras in France. Furthermore, the most significant difference in expenditure between the two countries was on cameras. In terms of cars, people in the UK spend about 450,000 pounds sterling on this as opposed to the France at 400,000 pounds sterling. Similarly, the British expenditure was higher on books than the France, around 400 pounds sterling and 300 pounds sterling. In the UK, expenditure on cameras just over 350,000 pounds sterling was over double that of France, which was only 150,000 pounds sterling. On the other hand, the amount of money paid out on the remaining goods was higher in France, above 350,000 pounds sterling, was spent by the France on computer, which was slightly more than the British, who spent exactly 350,000 pounds sterling. Neither of the countries spends much on perfume, which account for 200,000 pounds sterling of expenditure in France, but under 150,000 pounds sterling in the UK. Next line grabs. So there is a line graph that show how many Johnny pushed up in a day. On Sunday, he does 25 push-ups. On Monday, there was a decline that he does 15 push-up. On Tuesday, he make more push-up, that 25 push-up. On Wednesday, he does the push-up only 5 push-ups. And Thursday, he does 10 push-up. On Friday, he doesn't do push-up at all. And Saturday, he does 20 push-up. Next, pictograph. There is survey for 40 children that show what flavor pizza that they love the most. The key is one whole pizza represents for 4 children. In cheese flavor, there is 3 whole pizza and 1/3 pizza, which is 4 times 3 is 12, and there is 3 here, and 12 plus 3 is 15 children's. There is love cheese flavor. In pepperoni, 4 times 2 is 8, and plus 1, 9, and there is 9 children's love pepperoni flavor. In margarita, 4 times 2, 8, and plus 3, there is 11 children that love margarita. Barbecue chicken, 4 plus 1, 5 is 5, and there's 5 children love barbecue chicken flavor. Next, scatter plot. Miss, yang scatter plot juga belum tahu jelasinnya, Miss.
Oh, belum
selesai.
tahu jelasinnya, belum tahu cara bacanya.
Iya.
Oke, berarti utang juga ya, tambahin dengan yang tabel nanti ya minggu depan. Oke, continue.
Next pie chart. There's very nice. The bar charts show the result of a survey of what fruit students prefer. Given that 30 students complete the survey, how many that there is apples, there's 15% student that love, and 25% student that love orange, 20% student is love bananas, and 40% student love peach. We know that 30 students in total answer. This means that the value of the whole is 30 students. 40% of the student prefer peach, as 40% is 40 per 100. We need to find 40 per 100 of 30. We find that 40% of 30 is given by 30 times 40 per 100, that 12. The double line diagram shows that 12 per 30 equal 40 per 100, which means that 12 and 30 relate to each other in the same ways as 40 and 1000. The number of students who prefer peach is therefore 12.
Okay.
Next, flow chart. This is a hospital flowchart example that show how clinical case shall be processed. This flowchart uses decision shapes intensively in representing alternative flows. Start. Patient arrives, and then register patient, and wait for available nurse. There is already available nurse. Record health condition. After that, available doctor. Is there is no doctor, wait for available doctor. After that, assign patient to doctor. Need follow up. If yes, arrange appointment. And if no, need medication. Give patient prescription. If no, patient leaves. Tables. Belum, Miss. I think that's it for me for today. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright. Thank you, Faira. Ya. Oke. Berarti Faira masih ada utang 2 ya. Di scatter plots plus table. Oke.
Yes, Miss.
We'll continue to the next one. Apla, are you here? Is Apla here?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
Faira. Wait a second, Miss.
Ya, bentar.
Oh, filenya di Faira.
Wait, Miss. Mulai lah, Pak.
Ini file yang Faira tadi atau yang Apla nih? Kok kayak sama?
Yang apa, Miss?
Beda isinya ya?
Iya.
Oke. Apla, are you ready?
Kayaknya apa ini nge-lag, Miss.
Oke. Apla. Kita panggil pelan-pelan ya. Apla. Bukan nge-lag lagi kayaknya. Nggak ada dia. Mana dia? Menghilang dia.
Barusan yang kena.
Menghilang dia dari Zoom ya. Alright. Oke, kita cancel dulu. Coba nanti kalau Apla join lagi baru kita itu lagi ya. Next. Sandrina,
Yes, Miss.
are you ready, San?
Ready, Miss.
Okay.
Wait, Miss.
Okay. Sandrina Zalianti. Bikinnya spotlight. Ini aja. Oke, cool. Wah, begitu meriah ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today I will presentation about types of Grab. Types of Grab. The first is bar Grab. The above Grab show how many students like which flavor. The flavor are listed as green apple, caramel, butterscotch, or banana on the horizontal axis of the graph. The number of students is written on the vertical axis from the graph above. It can be seen that there are 4 students who like green apple flavor candy, 10 students who like caramel flavor candy, 7 students who like butterscotch flavor candy, and 8 students who like banana flavor candy. The next is line graph. The graph above show the growth of vegetables from 2005 to 2008. The vertical axis show how much farm produce, and the horizontal axis show years farm produce. In 2005, farmers produced 100 vegetables. Then in 2006, farmers experienced a rapid increase and reached 300 vegetables. In 2007, the graph was stable, no increase or decrease. And then in 2008, there was an increase in farm produce by 100. And in 2009, the graph has increased again by 400. Pictograph. In the table beside, it is known that red delicious apple, 30 pieces available. Golden delicious, 25 pieces available. Red rum, 40 pieces available. Macintosh, 20 pieces available. And Jonathan, 35 pieces available. Scatter plot. The scatter plot below represents the relationship between the number of people buying shoes and the time months. We can see that in the first month, there were 4 people buying shoes. In the second month, the graph decreased by 2%. In the third month, the graph is stable. In the fourth month, the graph increased by 1%. And in the fifth month, the graph also increased by 1%. Pie chart. This graph shows the result of a survey in which people aged 16 and over were asked about their preferred device for accessing the internet. From the pie chart, it is clear that the majority of participants prefer to use smartphone and laptop, with just 3% difference between the two. Nearly a third of participants prefer to go online with a smartphone. 30% like to use a laptop, A desktop computer accounts for 14% of user preferred device. Only a small minority prefer a device other than this main for.
These meant for, bukan this ya. These meant for. Okay, go on.
Well, this is the process flowchart. It's sorry. This is the process flowchart. It's how to order pizza online. First, you select your toppings and finish making your pizza. You add to cart and you have the option to either continue shopping. If yes, you start your menu again, or if no, you enter your billing information and then you get your confirmation email on your seat. And at the end, you track your pizza and wait for it to come.
Okay.
Then the last is table. In the music class, there are students who like different genre of music. From the table, it can be seen that there are 3 students like blues music, 12 students like pop music, 5 students like rock music, and 20 students like jazz music, and 7 students like folk music. Okay, I think that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, well done, well done, Sandrina. Now we go to the next.
Thank you, Miss.
Aplah? Udah bisa
Yes, Miss.
masuk? Oke.
Bisa, Miss.
Alright. Faira, you can share Aplah.
Faira. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Presentation about type of grape. And there is a 7 type of grape. And the first one is bar grape, and then line grape, pictograph, scatter plot, pie chart, flow chart, and table. Sharingannya.
Halo? Tes. Ini saya yang
Tadi dia ngebang, Miss, terus keluar
aplanya ya.
sendiri.
Aplanya yang hilang
Iya.
sinyal ya, bukan saya ya. Saya pikir kok dari tadi diem aja, apa sinyal saya yang jelek. Apla begitu suram sinyalnya ya. Oke. Kita tunggu dulu ada nggak dia. Dia udah join lagi kah? Belum ya? Oke. Kalau belum, kita coba pilih lagi siapa yang mau presentasi. Adakah Catherine? I don't think so. Catherine nggak ada ya? Oke. Choose again. Fiska, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Oke, can you?
Miss PPT-nya belum dibuat.
Oke, yaudah minggu depan ya. Next. Yuk, siapa yang siap hari ini? Masih Fiska lagi. Go. Memang dia mau nyuruh kamu, Fiska. Alright, Hamdi. Hamdi, can you?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Hamdi. Add the spotlight first. Alright, can
Yes.
go.
Wait a second.
Oh my God. Yang presentasi advance grammar siapa hari ini ya?
Aku sama Maria, Miss.
Minggu kemarin kita punya Apla dan
Apla Faira, Miss.
Faira.
Apla Faira ya.
Ya, Miss. Belum pasif.
Ya, masih ada hutang pasifnya ya. Begitu rustiknya ya. Vintage classic. Okay, you can start your presentations, Hamdi.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Hamdi Wiantra. I will present interpreting grade 8. Okay. What kind of pet do you want? There are 4 people who have rabbits. There are 8 people who have dogs. There are 11 people who have cats. There are 6 people who have goldfish. There are 5 people who have hamster. Now this bar graph states that there are 11 people who have the most animals, namely cats, cats. Next, line graph. Masih harus bertanya. Bar graph can be defined as a graphical representation of data quantities or numbers using bars or strips. They are used to compare and contrast different types of data, frequencies, or other measures of different data categories. For example, next, line graph. A line chart or lines graph, also known as chart, is a type of data points called markers connected by straight line segments. It is a basic type of chart common in many files. Number of vandals in small towns, USA. In January, there were 8 troublemakers in the small town. In February, the number of the number of vandals increased of 15 vandals in the town. Small town. In March, the number of vandals increased again to 19 vandals. In May, it's to 21 vandals in the small town. In June, the number of vandals greatly increased to 28. So the total number of vandals calculated every month is 115 vandals in a small town, USA. Next, appears a meaning dog the appearance of an image that resembles, mimics the actual physical condition of the object. Signs or image that include pictograms are called pictographs. Examples of a pictograph include ancient drawings, and there are 21 students going to school by bus. There are 12 students going to school using private cars. There are 18 students going to school using walking vehicles. There are 9 students who go to school by bicycle. The total number of the students using a particular vehicle is 60 students. Okay, next. A scatter plot. A scatter plot is a type of graph used to show the relationship between two variables in the context of time, span, and grades of times in exam. You can create a scatter plot by putting the time span, for example, in hours, on the axis and the grades or test scores on the y-axis. The explanation is as follows. X-axis horizontal, this will represent the time spent by the student in the exam, for example, in hours or minutes. The axis vertical, this will represent the grades or score obtained by the student in the exam. Each point in the scatter plot will represent one student. So if a student spends 2 hours and gets a grade of 18 or 18. You will have a
80,
point
not 18 ya, 80.
80. Sorry. 80. You will have a point at 2 80 in the scatter plot. Draw a scatter plot. You can see if there is a relationship between their time spent in the exam and the result obtained. This could indicate that there is a pattern where students who spend more time tend to get higher grades. However, if the points are randomly distributed, then there is no clear relationship between time spent and test scores. Scatter plots can also help you identify outliers, namely students who spend a lot of time but below grades or vice versa. By creating a scatter plot, you can better visualize and analyze time spent and exam result data to see if there are patterns or correlations between the two. Okay, next. Pie chart. A pie chart
Pie
is a
chart,
type of pie chart
lebih
used to depict data in the form of a circle where pie chart. Okay. Where the circle is divided into sections or slices that represent the relative proportions of each category of data. Some important Components of a pie chart include circle. The circle inside represent the entry data or 100%. One. The size of this rectangle is directly proportional to proportion of the data in the wall. Label X is list is usual label in which the appropriate category name or percentage value. Pie chart are used primarily to compare components in a data set. However, it should be used with caution, especially when there are many categories or when the difference between category proportion are very small, as it can be difficult to distinguish very small difficult to distinguish very small areas in a circle. It is important to insert the pie chart used in the appropriate context and which data swipeable this type of chart for the visual message to be effective. Okay, next. Flow chart. With this, flow chart are visual representation of a process or algorithms often used in various files to define a sequence of steps or action. Make change, pending change. Next, when to Apple change, the change will take effect after next wait actually implement. Okay, next, table graph, frequency and response graph tables per day and are tools used to visualize data related to how often an event or response occurs within a certain time span. In this case, per day. It is a useful tool for analyzing trends and patterns in data over time. Examples of use can vary depending on the type of data you want to analyze. For example, if you have daily sales data for a product for several months, you can ask this graph table to see how the frequency of sales change from day to day. Frequency and response graph table per day usually contain two main columns. This column lists dates or days in the time range you are analyzing, usually arranged chronologically
Chronological. Chronological.
chronological from your oldest to newest.
Oldest to the newest.
Oldest to the newest. 2. Frequency or response. This column lists the number of events or response that occurred on a certain date or day. This could be sales websites, visitors, phone calls, or other response relevant to your analysis. You can then use this table to create graphs such as line or bar graphs that will help you understand patterns in your data over time. This way, you can identify daily or weekly trends. See if there is a particular increase or decrease at any given time, and makes decision based on this and on that analysis. Okay, this is your question. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, very good, well done. Alright, 1 jam udah habis ya jatah waktu untuk speaking for daily communication lagi. Speaking for academic purposes yang belum sisanya we will have your presentations on the next apa namanya, the next week, termasuk yang tadi belum apply ya. Kayaknya kamu mending offline aja deh apply.
Ya, Miss.
Ya.
Sorry, Miss.
Oke, setelah ini nanti Miss akan share link yang baru karena biar nanti memudahkan dalam pada saat proses convertingnya. Jadi ini akan Miss close dulu untuk Zoom-nya. Kita istirahat dulu sekitar 5 menit. Nanti 10.15 saya share lagi link yang baru buat kalian join. Jadi silakan dulu kalau mau minum-minum lah dulu, mau rebahan lagi, mau ngulet-ngulet dulu silakan. 10.15 nanti saya share lagi untuk yang advance grammar. Ya, yang nggak join advance
Miss.
grammar kayak Cica ya, you may take your time ya. Okay, I think that's all for our speaking for academic purposes. Thank you for today. See you next meeting in the next speaking class. Goodbye and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.